back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Tamela. If you like the video and you like what you see, then be sure to stick around and subscribe for any videos. We'd love to have y'all join a part of our little family. And in today's video, we're in the kitchen because we're going to be doing a complete overhaul and organization of this kitchen, which I'm really excited about because it needs it. Since we moved in, I haven't done any organization in here. I just kind of threw everything in the cabinets. There's not even a good flow to things. I was sitting here the other night looking, I was like, none of this has a flow. None of this looks like it belongs here. So I really just wanted to get this organized and done just for my peace of mind and my sanity. But I've had it on my to-do list for a week and I keep pushing it back and pushing it back and pushing it back. But today is the day. And the first thing I'm gonna do is pull out all of the organizational stuff that I got and kind of show you guys, I don't know, the stuff I plan on using. So this is what I have to work with to organize everything. Everything you see here except for those clear acrylic little bins, those are from the Dollar Tree, but everything else is from either Home Goods or TJ Maxx. I have one of these, 3 of each of these, 3 of those, and I think 5 or 6 of those. And then I have the Lazy Susan. I haven't decided if I'm gonna use this thingy or the Lazy Susan for my spices. That's still undecided, but I think this is enough. I actually think this might be a little more than enough, but I'd rather have too much than not enough, and I can always return what I don't use. But first thing I'm gonna do is go to the cabinets, and I'm gonna put sticky notes all over them. I'm gonna be real annoying because I want to just kind of not start pulling stuff out without knowing a plan for it. Does that make sense? I'm a planner. I need a plan for everything before I start pulling it all in and out. So I'm just gonna take some sticky notes and put them on the cabinets of kind of where I want everything to go. It's not So now I have put sticky notes on most of everything. Nothing too in depth or crazy like that, just kind of so I know where everything's going. And now I'm going to take everything out of the cabinets and the drawers except for that cabinet right there, because mostly the things I'm going to put into this cabinet are already in here. It just kind of needs to be rearranged a little bit. So I'm not going to take everything out of this one, but most of the other ones are all about to get emptied. Don't mind the random bucket of Christmas gifts from when I went back home.
Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, remedy.
Okay, so here's where we're at. All that's staying in there because that's pretty much not gonna move. It's just gonna move around just a little bit. But then here's everything else. That whole cabinet is empty. All of these drawers are empty. It is glorious. Good things are happening, people. Now it's time to rearrange and put it all back. Actually, just kidding. I forgot about something. These down here are pots and pans, and I'm not gonna take all of these out because who is calling me at a time like this? Okay, back to what I was saying. This is just pots and pans in here, but I'm not taking all of these out just to put them all back in here because they's a little heavy and stuff. So I'm gonna leave these in here, but these are gonna get rearranged, moved around. This is gonna have a much more functional ending. And same thing with these cabinets down here. There's just 2 things in here. I'm just gonna leave them in here because they're kind of big and heavy. So let me take this out. This is the best thing ever. Complete side note, if you guys don't have one of these retractable, I don't know, foldable, flippable, whatever you want to call this, these strainers, you should get one. But all that's in here is my little Ninja thing and then my KitchenAid, which I'm gonna leave those in there because they're both really heavy.
You're quite good at that, dodging all my questions. Wrap your arms around my neck. Such a decent price, earning my affection. Now there's no way to go back. swaying in the spotlight. Makes me feel so good inside. Oh baby, don't ever talk about the things that are everlasting. Oh baby, we won't ever last. Hope that we're in that movie when you teach me how to dance. And I'm just a young and foolish, begs for a second chance. I'm doing clumsy pirouettes in your bedroom light, praying you will ask me to come stay the night. Baby, we're so cute to pretend. We both know it don't make no sense. When you go, I can't make you stay. So we live for the night and we fade in the rhythm. So cute to pretend. We both know it don't make no sense. And when you go, I can't make you stay. So we fade in the rhythm.
So everything is done and put back, and I realize you can't tell the difference because everything is closed, but I'm about to go inside of everything and show you what it looks like. I'll try to insert like a before so you can see what it looked like before, but I swear I open this and I see or hear angels singing, guys. Like, I just feel like a weight has been lifted. It looks so much better. And these, I literally, you can probably see in the video when I opened this, like all these fell out, and I feel like the lady on those really bad Tupperware commercials, it was just a mess. But this is how this cabinet looks. This is there's some seasonal already done up there, as well as some that I need to get stands for to put in my coffee bar. Then I just have my Pyrex here, some spices, some different oils, an extra butter dish, a big Pioneer One measuring cup, which I absolutely love. This is my favorite measuring cup of life. Some mixing bowls, some plastic Tupperware containers, and then some more extra right done up there. This is the quote-unquote junk drawer because it is not junky anymore. Just some lighters, tape, markers, measuring tape, what are these called? I can't even think of the name. Lint rollers. Don't know why I couldn't think of the name of those. I took all the papers out because the binder that I took out with that has some of our manuals in it, so I just put that in there as well and put that in a different spot. Then I just put all of the cooking utensils next to the stove because it makes the most sense. There's so much more flow now. And I'm actually really surprised because everything fit in here perfectly. My knives are in here as well. Underneath here are my pots and my pans, which didn't do a ton of organizing down here because I need to get some kind of system to put up there so that where the pans can sit like that. But yeah, don't have that today, but for now this will work, and it does look a lot better. And going into this cabinet, mostly I just shuffled things around in here. Oops. But like I said, I do feel like it looks a lot better, a lot more put together and organized. In here we just have like kitchen gadgety type thing, I guess you could say. A little mandolin thingy, potato masher. These are little cups from the Dollar Tree for like sauces and stuff for meal prep. Some metal straws, a bottle cleaner, straw cleaner, some chip clips, some other little gadgety things, and again another little gadgety thing is just like a vegetable chopper. And in here is just the silverware, and then these, just because they were kind of round, they were hard to find a place for. This is like a little, is it a trivet? Is that what you call it? I think so. You put like your hot pans on it, and then that is a little steamer basket. But yeah, nothing much in this drawer. I might try to find something else to put in it, but I actually think it's fine just like this, which makes the most sense now that I think about it, because I had my silverware all the way over there in that drawer, but it makes sense to have it underneath the plates. Underneath here are just some of my bigger appliances. So I have my toaster and stuff in my pantry, so I might try to put some of that stuff in here later, but for now it just works in the pantry because I haven't cleaned the pantry out that yet. That is my next project, but for now it's just like kitchen organization, but big KitchenAid mixer, and then I have my Ninja kitchen system. In here I just have some oven mitts, dish towels, gloves for dishes, and then a little random extra spoon rest. I don't keep that out because it doesn't match, but I love it. And then this drawer down here is empty. I didn't put anything in here, but this one is the last drawer, and it just has some of my appliances. So I have my hand mixer, my rice cooker. The top of that is in the dishwasher, that's why it looks weird. Some of my cutting boards, and then my strainer is down there. So that is it for my kitchen organization, guys. Thank y'all so much for watching. Y'all stay tuned because here in the next, I don't know, couple of weeks I'm going to tackle that pantry, so that's next on my list. But I really hope that y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you guys in the next one.
It's a remedy, 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 and the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, remedy.